Welcome back, guys, and thanks for checking out today's video. I have a super nice RSX Type-S in the shop for tuning today, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. Some of you guys actually might recognize this car. It is Joe's car. I tuned this car about 2 years ago at my old shop on my old dyno, and Joe wanted some more power, so he has been talking to me for a while, and he decided to do a turbo kit on this setup. So we've actually tuned the car, and I'm gonna get to that in a second, but I thought I'd share the car, share what he's done, share some dyno pulls, and then I'll share with you the results all said and done. So anyone interested in the car, this is a 2003 RSX Type-S. Joe has done a bunch of stuff to it. He obviously Mugen full skirt package, JDM DC5 Type R wheels with Brembo brakes, JDM DC5R Recaros, and the door panels to go with it. The car is super clean. This car reminds me of my first RSX. It was red as well. It looked just like this. I had the same front bumper, and I just really like RSXs. So, but anyways, that's enough about the car. So, as I mentioned, Joe wanted more power. We dyno tuned his car when it was NA, and put down some great numbers. It put down, I think, 220 wheel horsepower. NA with this stock original K20 engine that had, at the time, almost 340,000 kilometers. Today, it's still that same engine. It has 343,000 kilometers, which I believe is about 213,000 miles. So it's way up there. But Joe wanted some more power. So he purchased a CX Racing turbo kit, a Sidewinder kit with their matching intercooler piping and their intercooler. And then went out and bought the infamous Boosted Boys GTX 3582R dual ball bearing turbo with the billet compressor wheel. But everything's pretty much the way it was before. It's a 3-inch exhaust. He has still RBC intake manifold, S90 throttle body. We're running 1000cc injectors, Honda 4-bar map sensor. I tuned it on Honda K-Pro V4, and he's running 94 octane pump gas. So I've actually already done all the tuning. I'm gonna cut to some shots of the dyno pulls for you guys, and then I'm gonna share the results. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed those dyno pulls. So all said and done, we ended up running 12 pounds of boost on this setup. It is a stock motor, and I don't think I mentioned it, but it is the stock returnless fuel system, but he has upgraded the fuel pump. It has a Walboro 255 fuel pump in it and the 1000cc injectors. So we're at almost 90% duty cycle with this fuel system, and this is about all we could get out of it. It ended up putting down 420 wheel horsepower and 299 foot-pounds torque on 12 pounds of boost on this engine that has 340,000 kilometers or 213,000 miles. So pretty impressive setup. The power band is super smooth, super linear. I know he's gonna be super happy with this setup now. But anyways, that's about it. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.